Here you've got BLU Vivo Go, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to select the language that you would like to have your device in, just pick the one that you would like to apply, and I will stay with English, and then tap on Start. Now you can connect to your mobile network by inserting the SIM, but I will skip it for now. You can do it later smoothly. Check out our different tutorials and you'll be able to do it. Then you can connect to your Wi-Fi, in my case it's this one. Let me enter the password off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just click on Connect. And then you can copy your data from your previous phone, but I will skip this step. And now you can log in with your Google account if you have one, and if you want to activate all Google features, and I truly recommend that, then enter email address and phone number here, and if you'd like to skip it, just tap on Skip. But I will enter my email address. And then click on Next. Here it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, tap on Next. And here you can come along with all Google Play terms of service, Google terms of service in general, and also privacy policy. And if you agree with all the conditions, just tap on I agree. And here you can set date and time, but I will stay with the automatic setup, so smoothly tap on Next. Here you've got Google services that are active. You can switch off some of them if you want to, but I would like to stack with all of them, and then click on Accept. You can add your fingerprint right now if you want to, but I will skip it as well. And any other protection is not necessary right now, so I will click on Not Now and skip anyway. And here you can meet your Google Assistant if you want to. If you want to, just click on Continue, but I will also skip it. Let me skip fingerprint one more time. And you can add some payment method if you want to do it right now, but I will skip it as well. And if you'd like to add another email address, change font size or wallpaper, you can do it right now, but also you can do it later from the settings, so I will click on No Thanks. And this is it. As you can see, your device has been activated and now you can use it comfortably. So that would be all. This is how you can perform a setup process in your device in your BLU Vivo Go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.